Hello everybody, my name is Arsuf, company Arsuf Lasers. In this presentation I want to show you what do we do and what is unique about us. So we are manufacturing laser rods, laser slabs, mirrors and Q switches, either spinel or chrome. And the main materials that we are growing are Nd:YAG, alexandrite, YELF, chromiag, and all the family of erbium phosphate glass. This is really our specialty, as I will refer to it later on. So what is unique, what distinguishes Arsuf Laser from others? We have projects that we have been going with the teams from the beginning. We know how to assist technically. We know also how to analyze failures, rejects, which is of great importance to our customers, that we can analyze where the failure comes from. The lasers are not identical, there are hot spots and other phenomena, and we know how to analyze and take correction action to eventually end up with a good rod and stable. So another point is that we grow the materials and we stock them as bulks. That is the ability to supply in 4 or 5 weeks rods, while we know now in the world deliveries are stretching from 20 weeks, 16 weeks, 20 weeks, 26 weeks, and even more. We can supply brand new per spec in 4 to 5 weeks. And that's the reason, because we have bulls in stock. Also, growing the material is ensuring that the project is getting all batches with the same material, not different batches, so performance is stable and good for the system. The other aspects of working on these crystals is polishing and coating. So we can make polish up to very high level, but our main performance that is different from the other, that we are doing hard coating, we are getting very, very high figures, and this is especially also for defense projects that we are involved. We deal also with dermatology and other markets, but for the defense project it is of hard importance. Another thing that we can offer customers is before polishing, prior to polishing, we have a special solution treatment that is giving the laser rod a better behavior, how to cope with heat load. And this prevents lensing, and this provides you a very fine linear output. And this is something that we can offer to high power. Depends if it's a high power, if it's a high frequency, we will address it accordingly. And of course, since we grow our materials, we control all the other parameters, our prices are very competitive and our supply is very quick and very uniform. That's mainly what is the features that we can offer customers. Recently also there is another issue. We got some few projects from the United States, especially Nd:YAG. President Trump was imposing 30% tax on the glass imported from China to entering the United States. This is quite a heavy charge. So American customers are using our channel. We buy very cheap material in China. We polish it, we coat it, and we ship it to the United States without any tax. Our customers are all over the world, in Korea, in Europe, and United States, and of course in Israel. And I think also that in erbium glass, that is a very sensitive material, our performance is outstanding compared to others in the world. Very outstanding. So, and this is coming also from the defense market. So I invite you, everyone, you can come and send me your requirements and we can support them. Very good. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Bye-bye.